Hey guys, welcome back to the channel Techno Talks, and today we're going to be unboxing an LG Gram 17 and we're going to review it a little and talk about the build quality. So let's begin. Let me open this. Oh, by the way, I bought this from Costco and it was a very good deal. So let me just tell you that. So let's cut this open slowly. This side, and let's cut this side open now. Okay, so moment of truth. Oh, let me hold it straight for you guys so you can see it better. Okay, so here's the box. Dang, that's big. Okay, right here. So let's open its bag. Oh, we can open it from here. Okay. Oh, that's good. There's no tape, so we don't have to deal with cutting it. Okay. Now, let's put these away. Okay. So there's the box. It looks like this. It's a white box. It says gram on the front. And there's some tags that we have to cut. There's one here and one on the other side. Okay, got this side. Now onto the other. And we got this. Let's put the knife away. Okay. Oh, it's right here. Opening it now. Oh, that looks so nice. Dang. That's not even heavy. What is this? 17 inches? And it's like 2.9 pounds, I think. Yeah, I think it was around that. It's right here. Let's put this to the side. Let's look at what's in here. Yeah, there's nothing in there. There's a compartment here. So there's the charging cables. Yeah, that's the thing I don't like about this. You can charge it with USB-C, but it comes with this right here. So, not the best, but okay, I guess. And then it comes with a USB-C to Ethernet. We'll open those later. Put those to the side. Take this out the way. Take these out the way. Okay, so let's get back to the laptop. So there's a pull tab right here. Guess we just pull it over like this. Oh no, we open these sides first. And then we open that. And here comes the laptop. Yeah, it's so nice. Okay, so there's a plastic film on it that you can take off. I'm gonna keep it on for now. Let's power this baby on. First, let's talk about how heavy it is. I can hold it with one hand, no problem. It's not even heavy. And let's test the one finger opening test. Dang, that's nice. Oh, they even have a 17 on it. Let's take that out. Oh, dang, that's super nice. Okay, let's power this baby on. I guess it has no juice. I'm gonna come back to you guys once I power it on. So I got it plugged in and it's turned on and everything. I set it up. It was a really easy setup. So I have one thing to say about this. The screen resolution is great. It's very good. and the screen to body ratio was like 92%, I think. I'm not really sure, but I think it was. And the screen, it's a 17-inch laptop, and it's only 2.9 pounds. The material, they said it was military grade tested, so I'm pretty sure. And I've watched some other videos that tested it, and it survived load test. So, okay, that's about everything I'm gonna say about this laptop. I'll get you guys updated in a week or so. I'll post a video about that. So, see you guys. Bye. Have a good day.